Welcome to Divine API. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the process of installing the Divine Astro Shopify plugin and setting up the Kundalini widget on your store. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional Vedic astrology-based Kundalini widget integrated into your Shopify website. Let's get started. The first step is to install the Divine Astro plugin from the Shopify App Store. Log into your Shopify store and navigate to the Apps section. Click on Add Apps, then select Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Divine Astro and press Enter. Once you find the plugin, click on it and then select Install. You will see a confirmation prompt. Approve it by clicking Install again, and the installation will be completed in a few moments. After installing the plugin, you need to create an account on Divine Astro. This account will allow you to manage your plugin settings. Click on the Sign Up button, fill in your details, and then click on Sign Up to complete the registration process. Once you're done, click on the Login and Sign Up button, and your Divine Astro dashboard will appear, where you can access all the available features. To access Vedic astrology-based Kundalini features, you need to activate a subscription for the Kundalini widget. In your Divine Astro dashboard, go to the Indian Astrology section and select Kundalini. Click on the Subscribe button, confirm the subscription, and approve it. Once activated, you'll get a 7-day free trial, allowing you to test the Kundalini features. The iframe URL is essential for embedding the Kundalini widget on your Shopify store. To find this, go to the Indian Astrology section in your Divine Astro dashboard and select Kundalini. You will see an option to copy the iframe URL. Copy it carefully. Navigate to the Online Store section and click on Customize to enter the Shopify editor. In the editor, click on Add section, then select Apps. Click on Divine Astro, then click on Add Widget, and paste the iframe URL into the designated field. To finalize the setup, in your Shopify store editor and click Save to apply the changes. Once saved, click on the 3 dots above and then View to preview your store and check if the Kundalini widget is appearing correctly. If everything looks good, your Kundalini generation feature is now live. Divine API also allows you to customize your Kundalini widget to match your store's design and branding. To do this, log into Divine API using the same credentials you used for your Shopify account. In the Divine API dashboard, go to the Widget section, then navigate to Indian Astrology, then click on Kundalini. Below, you will see your default Kundalini widget code that you can customize. You can click on Edit Settings to modify it according to your preferences. If you want to create a completely new Kundalini widget, you can click on Create New Setting. For step-by-step guidance on customizing the Kundalini widget, check out our dedicated support article linked in the video description. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Divine Astro Shopify plugin and integrated the Kundalini widget into your store. This feature will enhance user engagement and provide your customers with accurate Vedic astrology-based Kundalini readings. If you need any further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team via live chat or email us at admin@divineapi.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.